Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Enjoy the hot summer with this cool and creamy dessert combos. Let's get started and check them out. To the saucepan, add half cup of fresh cream. Make sure you keep the flame on complete low till you make the ganache. You don't want to burn the cream. To this I'm adding 200 grams of semi-sweet dark chocolate. So you need to wait till the chocolate completely melts. Maintain the flame at a low. So I'm using a whisk to mix so it will all mix nice and even. So there won't be any lumps. So I think all the chocolate is melted beautifully. Turn off the stove and keep it aside. Now I'm going to make the chocolate milkshake. For this, take 1 cup of full fat milk. To this, I'm going to pour a little bit of the prepared chocolate ganache. I'm cutting a few pieces of the chocolate brownie. They're very soft and very nice. Perfect for making desserts. You can see they're so soft and so spongy and so tasty. Now I'm going to assemble the chocolate shake sundae. So take a nice tall glass. I'm adding a few pieces of chocolate brownie. Next I'm going to add the chocolate ganache. You can also add the chocolate syrup. So next I'm going to add the chopped nuts. So I've taken some cashew nuts, almonds and walnuts. Just add a few pieces of Oreo biscuits. So this being a very nice chocolate shake sundae, I'm adding a lot of chocolate in this. This is definitely a chocolate lover's delight. Now I'm going to add the chocolate milkshake. Now I'm going to add a scoop of vanilla ice cream. You can also add chocolate ice cream. The ice cream is of your preference. Next I'm going to layer it with a few more brownie pieces. Now pour the chocolate ganache. This is definitely a very rich and very dense dessert. Definitely a very filling dessert. It has a lot of layers to it and a lot of texture as well. Top it with a few more nuts. Top it off with another scoop of ice cream. You can also have a combination of ice cream flavors like 1 scoop of chocolate and 1 scoop of vanilla. It's up to you. So finally I'm going to finish off with some chocolate wafers. So there you go, here is this absolutely decadent and delicious chocolate shake sundae. To make the royal Falooda, there are several steps for the prep work, and the first is to make the jelly. So for this recipe I am using a store-bought ready-made jelly crystal packet. So I have taken a strawberry jelly mix for this recipe. You can use any jelly of your choice. As per instructions given in the jelly mix, follow the directions and prepare the jelly. So in case you want to make the jelly ahead of time, you can also make it the previous day and set it. So it will be easier for you to assemble it. It takes about 45 minutes to an hour to set at room temperature. So this has to be done first. Now I'm going to make the rose milk for the Falooda. For the rose milk I've taken half liter of milk and boiled it. Turn off the stove. Bring the milk to room temperature. To the milk add about 2 tablespoons of rose syrup. Now this is a store-bought rose syrup. If you need more, depending on the quantity of milk, you can add more or less. I'm also adding 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Just mix it all together. So I've made the rose milk. Now refrigerate this till you prepare the Falooda. Now it's best you prepare the rose milk and nicely chill it, and so when you make the Falooda it will be nice and cool. Next I'm going to cook some save for the Falooda. To the pot, add a little water. So the water has come to a boil. Just going to add the save. I've taken the long save, just broken it. Turn off the stove after a minute. So the save is cooked beautifully, it's perfect. Strain it and keep it aside. Next I'm going to soak some sabja seeds. To the bowl, add a few sabja seeds, pour enough water. Soak the sabja seeds for about 5 minutes. So you can see after 5 minutes they've plumped up beautifully. Keep it aside. Now I'm going to assemble the royal Falooda. For this I've taken 2 tall glasses. I'm going to start with the strawberry jelly. Next I'm going to add the cooked save. Next add a little bit of the rose syrup. Next I'm going to add the sabja seeds. Next I'm going to add the chilled rose milk. Next I'm going to add 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. Now for the ice cream you can use any flavor of your choice. Next I'm going to add some chopped nuts, some almonds and pistachios. I'm also going to add some fresh fruits, small pieces of apple and banana. Now you can use any fruits of your choice. Adding fruits is also optional. Now I'm going to layer it with another scoop of jelly. Next I'm going to add another teaspoon of sabja seeds. I'm adding 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. Just adding a little syrup. Finally add some chopped nuts. I'm also going to add some tutti frutti. Wow, there you go. You have this perfect and beautiful desserts that you can make at home and enjoy it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.